Hi, I'm Rituparna Sengupta and you're watching IndiaGlitz.com. It's a very important film, I think, and I think director Dinesh Bhosle has just chosen the right subject because when Cure meets crime, it's a very interesting tagline because we are amidst of a lot of crime now at this moment, so we really need some cure. But just let me come to the film. Kalapur talks about a region where this jail is located, and there's and lot many things happens in this jail. And my character's name is Josna. She's a woman of lot of substance, and she goes through a very interesting journey in her life where she goes through a lot of ups and downs, lot of turmoils, but at the end of the day she comes through a journey of jail. To that jail, how it comes in her life, why she happens to have jail in her life. So all these questions will be answered through this film. I'm not telling you, giving you out the story right now because I want to have some suspense, because it's also a suspense film and it's also a thriller, and I think it's a very interesting thriller because it has got a lot of parts in it where this girl traces back her life and how she finds herself in different years of her life and different modes in her life, different phases. And then what she does is she comes across an NGO where she's supposed to do some reformation work in jail. That is another part of the film, and where she does a lot of reformation. This whole story speaks about how you get much from life and how this girl also reveals her backstory, how there is a thriller element coming in, how a lot of things happening. There is some kind of a suspense and also bit of story. So I think this is quite an insightful film for the audience, and the director Dinesh Bhosle has always tried to do something different from coming from Marathi films. He wants to make a statement in his Hindi films, so he actually wanted to make some kind of subject which is absolutely hatke, little bit out of the box, little bit from the different genre. I think I am, as an actor, as I'm doing a lot of insightful roles. The movie which has gone for Cannes, it has just got released and it is doing it's got rave reviews and it's already declared a super hit, All Ikshuk. I also did one movie called Muktadhara before, based on jail, yeah. But it's a different story which has been viewed by the President of India. And my next movie which is coming, which I'll be shooting from September, which is also have a bit of jail in it. So I'm becoming a jail expert, which is based on Article 161, and there is a pardon story in it where one man was actually given pardon, and of course we are talking about his life, inspired from his life. Not really, but I have been seeing a lot of work back in Kolkata also. There's a lot of work happening in that front, but if you ask me, no, I haven't followed anyone, but I have worked from my own insight, and I think the director had given me very beautiful narrations, and he actually prepared me for the role where he wanted me to act in a certain way, have a certain kind of a body language. So I think we actually, when we go through a script, or when we do a proper run through, so we actually get the feel of the character, or the hang of the character. So that's the way it is. Oh, she's very nice, and she's a wonderful choreographer, and Jilamji gave a very nice tinge to the whole thing, and I think she's a wonderful person, and she actually did a lot of interesting workshop with the other people who were the actors as inmates, and she has done rigorous workshops with them, so they were completely ready with everything, so we didn't have to do anything much. And Jilamji also choreographed my shots very nicely song, and we had some interesting shots and very interesting expressions. So I love dancing, so for me it's a cakewalk. See, I don't think this movie will get into any competition because this is absolutely a different kind of a film, and it has got its own niche audience perhaps. And maybe I think this can also become a popular film if people actually follows it correctly and makes an effort to see the film. So I think we are very open and on for everything, and we have made an honest film. We have tried our best. So I think it's up to the audience how they will take it.